Right lads, hope this is going. My name's Robert, I'm taking over the Cool Dude 64 channel. I'm sitting here with Desmos open. I'm sure you've heard of Desmos. Maybe you've got a school project which the teacher's been talking about saying to use Desmos in. And I wouldn't blame them. It's an expert tool for graphing formulas. Let's just start off simple. Y equals X. You see, this will make simple graph horizontal line. Right, I'm back. So if you see you at
I do love Desmos. Are you looking at Desmos, bruv?
Yes, of course, Desmos.
Oh, I
graphic
absolutely
calculator
love
tool.
Desmos, mate.
Perhaps after this we could grab some jobs at the local tavern. It'd be a grand old time.
Mate, I had a jobs in so long, bro.
Good, so I must add that I must finish the tutorial for the children. Please.
Radio, mate, radio.
If you add
for the children.
If you add to the X,
it's for the children, innit, mate?
It will shift the
well, that's bloody excellent.
The line upwards by the amount you're saying.
Look at this bloke. Look at this. He knows what he's talking about.
Negate so from it, perhaps -3, then it will shift it downwards that amount. Now, expert things can happen once you get good at this tool. Perhaps you go 2x. This will make it go 2 up when 1 across. An expert tool for expert men. Now, if you are fancy, you can press Shift 6, press a 2, make a funny thing, maybe a 3. An expert tool.
It looks so simple, even a child.
At plus 2x. What the fuck am I even looking at here, mate? I don't know, but frankly, you better learn this shit, or I'm gonna slap your bottom, man. Let me tell you, if you go -17, that shit goes crazy. I don't even know. You can find the x-intercept, y-intercept, x-intercept right here, 1.878. If you find the y-intercept, it's down here with a curve, 0.17, -17, -117. If we take a gander,
I think his jimmies have been nicked.
Can you guess where the y-axis is? It's right here. -170. -170. But then if you look closely, see it makes a... What the fuck? What the fuck?